Click on OK. Today concept name is property file. Property file. What is property file? It contains some general information. It contains some general information. It contains some general information. So, what is property file? Not only using Xpath, we can take other properties also. We can take other properties also. All the properties we will keep in one file. We will keep in one file. We will attach with main test. We will create one file. We will keep one file. We will attach with main test. Not only using Xpath, we can take the other properties also. All the properties we will keep in one file. That file we will attach with the main test. We will attach with the main test. So using that information, Selenium will identify the web elements. Web elements. Okay. Information Selenium will identify the Selenium will identify the web elements. Web elements. There are two ways. One is directly we can give the properties in the main test. Directly we can give the properties in main test. Second one, property file creation. Property file creation. So property file creation, there are two ways. So one is property file. We can pass the properties two ways. There are two ways. Directly we can give the properties in main test. Second one is property file creation. How to create property file? Right click on project. Right click on package. Sorry. Right click on package. Go to new, other, general, file, give file name, give file name. Okay, right. Like we can create the property file. So first we will discuss how to give directly. We can give the properties. How to give the properties in the main test directly. How to give the properties in main test directly. We will discuss now. First, yesterday concept extension only. Yesterday concept to Webdriver WD equal to new Firefox driver WebDriver WD equal new Firefox driver WD dot get HTTP gmail.com WD dot find element by dot Xpath. I'm giving Xpath dot send keys Akhil Reddy HOID 1. I'm giving 2000 seconds, 2000 milliseconds. So that means 2 seconds. This is click, dot click, dot click. All right. So yesterday we discussed Xpath. Now we can take other properties. How to take other properties? Go to Gmail. All right. Activate. Keep the cursor on Gmail. So here we are getting XPath and highlighted here we have ID. So this is the property. ID is the property. Type is the property. Autofocus is property. And name is property. Value is property. So these are the properties. These are the properties. So any of the property we can use. Not only using XPath, we can take the other properties also. Now I am taking property, ID property I am taking. ID property I am taking. ID property I am taking. Copy. So here just you should mention ID in the place of XPath. I'm writing ID. So give the ID. Control V. Okay. Next button ID. I know next button ID. Next only. ID. Password ID. Caps P. This is WD. Password ID. ID. Sign in. I know that's the reason I'm writing. Otherwise I can go to application. Sign in. So not only using the XPath, we can take the other properties also. Save. Thread.sleep add throws. Save. Click on run. Not only using Xpath, we can take the other properties also. Not only ID, we can take name, type, value. Right. This is the directly we can give the properties in the main test. Directly we can give the properties in main test. This is one way. This is one way. Second way. Second way. This way is just in the place of ID. In the place of XPath, we are writing ID. So this is the one way, sir. Directly we are giving the properties in the main test only. Second way, property file creation. How to create property file? Just go to
Now we got error, no, sir.
where?
Gmail. It doesn't open.
Where, sir?
If you run the program, it doesn't
It is.
open.
No. Browser is not supporting. It is opened, sir. See, click on run.
Now,
Gmail is opened.
yeah.
Right. So this is the one way, sir. Second way, property file creation. Property file creation. Right click on package. So if you are not taking package, it will take under default packages. So if you are not taking package, right click on default package. Right click on default package. Go to new. Go to other. General. File. Next to give the file name. File name is Akki. Finish. This is the property file. Here I am giving properties A equal to alias name I am giving A. The properties that now I am giving here. Next B equal to next. C equal to password. D equal to sign in. Save. Go on. Copy the property file path. Right click on property file. Go to properties. Copy the path. Path of the property file. Copy it. Right. Now come to script. So here extra we should write 2 lines extra. Properties P equal to new properties. Properties P equal to new properties. File input stream. FIS equal to new file input stream. Path of the property file. So if you want import or export, we should use double backslash, forward slash, forward slash, forward slash. P dot load FIS. P dot load FIS. Enough, sir. Properties. I'm saying to Selenium using properties, you should identify the web elements. File input stream, Java IO. File input stream, Java IO. After writing the code, it will show you underline, add throws declaration, file not found exception. Still it is showing IO exception. Okay, right. Now, here I am writing P dot get property A. P dot get property B. P dot get property C. P dot get property D. Alias name I gave alias name I stored with alias names. That alias names here I am giving. Save. Click on run. Over. So, sir, Xpath concept is very easy now. Why we need this property file concept, sir? So Xpath will be changed regularly. Properties also change, but not regularly. So that's the reason reusability purpose we will maintain property files. So if it is any property change, just we will go to property file and we will change that information. Remaining script is as it is same to same. Yes. What is the use, sir? Reusability. If it is, for example, email property ID is changed, so email, so I will change here only. So remaining script is same. Remaining script is same. If it is any password changed, so just password is just we will change. Okay, save. Remaining script is same. Reusability, sir. Reusability purpose we will use property file. So whenever you are working with software companies, some companies will not allow you Xpaths, so we should write property file only. So property file, first way software companies will not allow you, only second way. Second way means this is property file. We need to create one property file and we need to save the properties with alias names. That alias names we will give in the main test. That alias names we will give in the main test. That is the concept of property file concept, sir.
Okay, okay.